Hi, I'm Kerry Lord from the yarn company TOFT over in Warwickshire in the UK. And coming up in my Fiberside chat at the beginning of March, I'm really going to talk a little bit more about my story. So I discovered yarn 18 years ago and set up the company TOFT. I knitted for a long time until I stumbled across the double crochet stitch. And this stitch completely changed everything for me and the company. I think I've crocheted every single day for the last 11 years since I discovered that stitch, creating thousands of different patterns, mainly just using the double crochet stitch or the single crochet stitch US terms in a non-stop spiral. So in my Fiberside chat, I'm not only going to tell my story, but I will also do some basics of crochet so I can show you the basic building blocks that you need to create this style of 3D crochet. I'll also cover a little bit of an update for those that might have joined me for a Fiberside chat before about what I did during those pandemic years and the resulting project that came from that. I found gardening and I took my crochet journey even further to produce an Alexandra's Garden collection of flowers and vegetables as well, where I actually grew those flowers and vegetables in my garden outside, as well as then crocheting them simultaneously. So all the photography has been taken in my garden too. So to find out more about that project, join me for the Fiberside chat. I will also be doing practical techniques as well. So it's a great way to learn the basics of this style of crochet.